Before we get into it, I just wanted to let you guys know if you have any questions regarding Shopify, make sure to ask them down in the comment section. I'll be answering a couple of questions, I'll be making videos off of it, and I'll also be choosing a couple of you guys to get into a phone call with so we could talk more about your questions. So make sure to leave your comments down below. Now let's talk about this extension. So my students and I have come across this extension. It's called Find Facebook Ads. It's by Product Mafia. So what it does is it's basically the opposite of an ad blocker. So an ad blocker essentially lets you view all your content and blocks off all the ads. And what Find Facebook Ads does is the opposite. So it blocks off all your content and it only shows you ads. So I know a couple of you guys might find it a bit weird to just look at ads, but it's actually pretty useful. You get a lot of useful information out of it. For example, you're able to see what people are advertising and how they're doing it. You're able to see how the ad is structured and kind of get some ideas to do it yourself or to sell a similar product. So it's very useful to have this information, especially when you don't know what to sell or how to present it. So once you've installed the Chrome extension, you're gonna see it appear in the top right-hand corner. It's just gonna be a little circle with the Facebook logo in it, and just click on it whenever you're on Facebook and just switch it on and it starts doing its thing. You really don't have to mess with it all that much. You could go ahead and enable Hunt Hot Ads, and what that does, it allows you to search by comments, likes, and shares, so you could get a little bit more detail, but you don't need to do it. Personally, I don't use that feature. I only turn it on and just go through all the ads. That's pretty much what I do. So as you see here, we're scrolling through my timeline and it's just ads. Here's this one for, I think it's glasses. Yeah, it's glasses. It has 4,000 comments, 10,000 shares, and 4.7 million views. Actually, let me just open this on a new tab. I'll look at that in just a second. Here's another one, these rings. It has 400 comments and about 500 shares. So it's pretty good. So let me just quickly go to the computer glasses website. Okay, yeah, it's a pretty shitty website. We could definitely do better than this. The products are all the way to the bottom. It's just poorly done. But you guys get the point. You're able to find products that you normally wouldn't have thought of. For example, I wouldn't have thought of selling these, even though I own a pair of these glasses, but it honestly didn't even cross my mind. So as you see, the more you scroll, the more ads you get. Essentially, that's all it's going to show you. So it becomes really useful when you're looking for products. And this is a good way to find your winning product because you know what people are putting their money towards. You see what people are advertising and how they're doing it. So you don't have to test something out. You don't have to start from scratch trying to identify what product's going to sell. You just turn on the extension and you look for an ad that has a product with a lot of engagement, and you get a feel of how that product is doing by how people are reacting to it. So I really hope you guys use this extension or something similar. I'm not sure if there's more apps like this or more extensions like this, but I definitely hope you guys use it because it makes looking for products a lot easier once you know what people are selling and how they're selling it. So don't forget to leave a comment down below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.